Hey everyone, it's Rob. Welcome to this update of Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. So what we're looking at here are what are called switchback trades, guys. And switchback trades are trades that have the opportunity to move in bidirectional, either up and or down. So we find a trade, it has a setup just what we're looking for, that we can go ahead and pick that candidate. So tomorrow, no matter which way the market moves, there's a potential, if it doesn't gap away from us, there's a potential that we've got to trade in either direction tomorrow, whether the S&P is going up or down. So first thing I want to do is go over candidates from last update, which is CrowdStrike, and that was for the 21st. So that was right here. It was the last update that we did on the 20th for the 21st. So we'd be looking for either bullish or bearish trade here, whatever the setup is. So if we go over and look at CrowdStrike, we look at a 5-minute chart, we look at the 21st. We had this really nice move to the upside. We're going to go look at a 1-minute chart. And you can see we gapped up, we pulled back, we bounced, pulled back and bounced again. This actually, for this setup, was right in here, was the trade. And I just want to put the arrow so I can see about where it is. And we had a nice run all the way to resistance, so we'd be out before resistance. So basically, on CrowdStrike, we got in when the stock was at $443.50. We got out at $454. So a $756 win. We've got two winners, none that have gone against us. These two right here are both, did not go off. Two trades in total. 100% winners, $658.80 per trade on average for our P&L for these positions. So overall, betting nice. I'll take it. All right, if we go back to our charts, let's go look at the first one on our list is the S&P 500. So we still have about 10 minutes left until the market closes. We're in a wonderful bullish bias right now with a great little setup in there. Sitting right up here at that blue zone that we've got, that 69.56.22 up to 69.65.69. This little blue box there, that was the previous swing high we had off of that candle. So I like it a lot. Very strong, very bullish. We are pennies away, literally, from our all-time high of 69.86 as we're sitting at 69.56, 30 points. That's less than a day's move. Three candidates on our list today in alphabetical order, keeping in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so first one is CRDO. So let's look at CRDO. Right, great little fib in there. We had a nice pullback, closing right near that 129.34. In an ideal world, I'd love to see this one continue to the downside. Right, so small move down, retest and fail. I'm going to have support about 118. My target here is going to be 119, maybe 120, 119 and a half, somewhere around there. My stop will be just on the other side of resistance. If it does break to the upside, small move up, retest and bounce. I don't need the retest to come all the way to the 129.34, but I do need to get close. So resistance is 138. My target's going to be 137. 136, somewhere around there is going to be the target. Stop just down below that 129.34. We've got a lot of room for this one to rock and roll, baby. I mean, a lot. And this sucker moves $11, $11.50, $11.60 a day on this CROD. So, CRDO Tech. Nice. CrowdStrike, yet again on our list. Closed up in a really nice pattern right here. I like this one better to the upside as we closed in a neutral bias here today. So give me a small move to the upside, a retest, and a bounce. We'll take the trade on the bounce. Resistance is at 482. My target here is going to be about 480. That's a 4. Trust me, it is. Stop just on the other side of that 467. As for the downside, make a small move down, retest, and fail. If it does, take the trade on the bearish fail. My support is at 455. My target here is going to be about 457. Stop just on the other side. All right, that's two just for you. And then Tesla. Love me some Tesla. So Tesla's sitting in a great spot right now. I definitely prefer the downside targets right now on this one. So small move down, retest and fail. That black line is not a line. That's my mouse. So 415 is my support. We're looking at a target here of about 418 on this one. We're going to put our stop just on the other side of the 436. For the upside, I'm not as excited about the upside move. Small move up, retest, and bounce would take me only into the 8, which is 439. We're at 436. I'm probably not going to want to take it. But if I did take it, it would be aggressive. My resistance would be at 453. My target here would be about 450. 450 would be my target, but aggressive just means I'm taking less contracts. Now, we normally do this with one contract anyway, so it doesn't matter as much for us. That's what we're taking, but that's the right way to do it. All right, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Hey, if you'd like to get the rest of the candidates that are on our list on a day-to-day basis, there are 19 stocks on my list today. I'm giving you 3. That means there are 16 others that you've not even seen that are already setting up with the exact same setups. All you have to do is go over to tradewithrob.com, register for free. You will get an email every single day that says, hey, even if Rob's not doing a video today, here's the candidates that he picked out. Here's the charts with all the Fibonacci lines drawn on them where you know exactly what you're looking for, and the trade setups are all there. So have a great rest of your day. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.